Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to find AliExpress coupons. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your AliExpress apps. And now you just have to tap on count icon at the bottom right. After that, you will see the coupon icon. Now you just have to tap on it. And yeah, you can see my coupons now, but to find it more, you can tap on get coupons button at the bottom. Now you can find the coupons here. You just have to scroll it down. It lots of coupons that you can use. So guys, just it. It's a simple thing that you have to do when you want to find the coupons on AliExpress apps. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.